How to keep your smartphone healthy. 12 tips to use your smartphone as a new one for a long time. Smartphones have become an inseparable device in our lives. People use smartphones not only for communication but for entertainment, education, and even for businesses or politics. According to Statista, there are more than 6.648 billion smartphone users in the world, and it means 83.96% of the world's population owns a smartphone. You may also have one or two smartphones. But did you know the way of keeping your smartphone healthy? By watching this video you can learn the most important 12 tips that can be used to keep your smartphone healthy for a long period of time. Tip number 12. Buy a screen protector and a case. To protect your phone from dust and dirt, you should get a good screen protector, and a hard case, that fits your phone perfectly. This will protect your phone even from scratches or breakages due to false handle. Tip number 11. Handle your phone with care. The most valuable part of your smartphone is its screen. They are very delicate, and can be easily damaged, due to careless handling or falls. So, always be careful when handle your precious device. Tip number 10. Protect your phone from the extreme temperature. Your phone has an optimum running temperature which needs to be maintained, same as the human body. If your smartphone gets too cold, the battery will overwork itself and cause damage. If it gets too hot, the device could overheat and shut down completely. So, don't leave it in a hot car, or anywhere else, in the direct sunshine. When you go out in extreme cold climate, put your phone in a pocket of an inside cloth, so that it will maintain optimum temperature with the help of your body heat. Tip number 9. Avoid overworking your phone. By closing unnecessary background apps, you will be able to save power of the battery and regain the optimum running condition of the phone. If you feel some apps or games heat your phone too much, they might make your phone overwork. So, uninstall those apps and games before they do a severe damage to your smartphone. Tip number 8. Keep your phone away from moisture and water. Both moisture and water cause severe damages to smartphones. So, don't leave it in places that are high in moisture, especially in bathrooms and swimming pools, as they could end up causing damage. Tip number 7. Avoid draining your battery, or overcharging it. Batteries of most smartphones are designed to work in their optimum range of 20% to 90%. They are not supposed to be charged to the max, or run out of power completely. So, it's better to perform short charges throughout the day rather than maximizing it, or letting it run too low. Always use an original charger for your smartphone. If you enjoy this video, please give a big thumbs up. And subscribe Funny Mentor channel now, to watch more videos like this. Hit the bell icon, to get notified about our new videos. Tip number 6. Don't use your phone while charging it. The battery of your phone will be overworked if you use it while charging. This will affect badly to your smartphone's battery life. So, it is better to be patient while charging your phone to run it healthy and fast as a new one for a long time. Tip number 5. Update the phone OS. Whether you use an iPhone or an Android smartphone, it is important to update the operating system to the latest version, because the updates come with bug fixes for the better performance and security improvements. Tip number 4. Avoid downloading unnecessary apps. Even though there are millions of apps in both Google and Apple stores, you should only download the apps you need most. All apps consume phone's memory. If you have many apps in your phone, performance will go down. So you should not download unnecessary apps. Tip number 3. Uninstall old apps. You may have already downloaded many apps into your smartphone. But have you ever checked for the apps which are not used in months? Each and every app consume your phone's memory and power of the battery. So, go through your applications and delete those that you no longer use. Even you feel you might need them in the future, it is better to delete them. You don't want to worry about the data associated with the apps. Your phone will remember the data and use them when you re-download the apps, so that you can use the apps as they were earlier. Tip number 2. Give a rest and take a fresh start. As every living thing or machine, smartphones need a rest. You can schedule it to be switched off at night while you are sleeping, and switched on before you wake up in the morning. If you do this regularly, your device will become much faster and smoother because all the glitches are fixed that can hinder the device's performance. Tip number 1. Don't wait to replace the old battery. If you feel that the battery just refuses to hold a charge, or has got an inflammation, you must replace the battery soon. Otherwise the broken battery will damage your phone's display and other valuable parts. This simple and cost-effective maintenance can add a few more months or even years to your phone's functional life. If you really want to have a healthy, fast and new-looking smartphone for a long time, you must follow these 12 tips. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe Funny Mentor for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon to get alerts on our new videos.